Passage 2. Step by Step. 1. Alvin Ailey was a dancer and one of the most accomplished and inspiring American choreographers in theater history. As the founder of an important dance company that continues performing to this day, Ailey designed complex and creative dance performances, step by step. 2. Ailey used many aspects of his African American culture in his art. He advised the dancers, for whom he choreographed, that they had an important responsibility as non-Caucasian artists. "I am trying to show the world that we are all human beings and that color is not important," he told them. "What is important is the quality of our work." Step 1. A Texas Sun. 3. Ailey was born in the small southern town of Rogers, Texas in 1931, the only son of a hard-working mother who picked cotton and worked as a servant. Ailey often joined his mother in the cotton fields and acquired great respect for the hard work of the cotton pickers. Later, he would incorporate the sweeping, graceful movements of the cotton field workers into his choreography. 4. From 1929 to 1941, the United States experienced the Great Depression, a time when the country underwent a grave economic crisis and work was difficult to find. African Americans in the South at the time of Ailey's childhood often struggled under even harsher conditions. Because of segregation, many businesses and schools were completely closed off to African Americans. Despite the hardships faced by African Americans in Texas, Ailey enjoyed the many rich traditions of African American life. His childhood memories of family celebrations, the church, and exposure to good music would stay with him for the rest of his life.